Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning to watch today's video. So today in the menu is water leaf yam porridge. Does this sound familiar? Well, not really. It's not a regular porridge that we always have. Well, let me show you how I prepare this. First of all, you need a tuber of yam. The tuber of yam was big, so I cut them into two. I'm going to be peeling them. And when you are peeling this yam, you don't want to put your hand inside because you'll be wasting them. Peeling them so slightly like this will be very nice. So after that, we'll go ahead and cut the yam and, divide them into smaller pieces like that. It will be better. When it comes to yam porridge, you want them to be smaller. And when you're using it for sauce, you can make it a little bigger and bold. So this is how we want it to be. So next is to go ahead and wash the crayfish that we'll be using for this yam porridge. Yeah, it's normally not the kind of vegetable porridge yam we cook. We usually use a water green or pumpkin leaf, but this was a separate one. When it is a requested video, that is why it goes like this. It's also a requested video from hubby. He asked me to make a water leaf yam porridge. I was like, okay, another one. Let's dive into the kitchen. And here we'll be pounding the crayfish with the pepper. You need to add pepper to this because water leaf is a kind of slimy vegetable, so you want it to be a little spicy, or if you want it very spicy, you can also add it. Just make sure you add pepper to this water leaf porridge. Here is the fish I'll be using. I'm using 2 catfish. I'm just going ahead to use hot water to soak it for some time and then go ahead and wash them. You want to wash this very well because sometimes it has sand, and the oil that it came with, it's not something you will throw inside the meal and start eating. You want to clean them very well. So thank you so much for tuning in to watch. As I said earlier, do not go away, the video is about to start. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to drop a huge thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do it to subscribe, to turn on your bell notification so that you will receive notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Alright, after cleaning the fish, now I'll just go ahead and start putting everything in the pot. Yeah, you want to mix everything together. First of all, you'll be adding water. Just allow it to get to the level of the yam or before the level of the yam. I'll go ahead and add the pounded crayfish and pepper. You can as well add ginger and garlic if you want, but I didn't add here. I'll go ahead and add onions chopped one, add Maggi, and season with salt as well. So next thing to do is to pack in the fish. Yeah, pour everything inside. You want to cook everything together. Once you pack everything in, go ahead and add your palm oil. Yes, you are doing this because you want every good taste of the ingredients you pack there to boil into the yam. Put it on the stove and allow it to start cooking. And here we come. This is the water leaf that we'll be using. So this water leaf, I will be washing them with salt. And at the point I added vinegar because this is the vinegar that I added because this water leaf it comes sometimes with some worms. So you need to be very careful. Wash it very thoroughly before you start cutting it. While washing it, I don't want to forget that I put something on this stove, so I went ahead and stir it again. It has started boiling, so just give it a quick mix so that everything will be boiling in the yam. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. It's not cooked already, as you can see, because if it's cooked, that spoon will definitely scatter everything. So we're just going to stir them around and cover it and continue washing. So at this point I'm going to be using the sink as a shop board, Of course, it was well washed and it's a very broad board. I'll go ahead and chop the water leaf. Don't mind whichever way or however you chop this water leaf. It's not a problem, because once you get into the pot, it's going to melt and you won't remember if it is cut or not. It's right time. The yam is cooked now. Let me say 97% cooked. So it is time to pour in the water leaf. Yes, gently pour it in, stir it very well to combine, and cover it at least for 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat to steam. This water leaf is going to release some water, but it's not going to be much because the porridge was not that dry porridge. It was moist porridge, which makes it more interesting. So let me know in the comment section, have you tried this recipe before? Or if you try it, if you would like to try it, also come back here and let me know how it come out. For me, it was very nice. We really enjoy it. Everything was making maker in the mouth. Yeah, if I have the opportunity again, anytime I will get water leaf. He asked me to try another method, which is frying the water leaf. Okay, maybe the next time I get hold on water leaf, I'm going to try that one. But for now, I'm going to enjoy this one while it lasts. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of your video, and please don't forget to give me thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.